Hi, Ed Akehurst back again with our next Genius Pages tutorial. In this one, this will be a short video. We're going to show how to add a page. You'll just go here on the left-hand menu to Pages, click the green Add Page, and you'll see it's highlighted. And you can leave it as Page 2, or you can give it a name. We'll just, let's say, Page-2. I don't know, just to have something. Index. You can change the name. The index stays the same, but you can change the names and edit the names of these and click that green checkbox if you want that to be the name. And you can see it's a little darker for which page we're on. And again, from the last video, remember if you have page settings, make sure that page is highlighted, come to the upper right-hand corner triangle, click page settings, and then here's the page-2.html. What this is, and remember, this is going to be case sensitive. Anything after a slash in a URL is case sensitive. So remember in the site, let me save those settings. In the site setting, just to show you this, you'll remember our site was testsite101.geniuspages.io. So the page 2 will be testsite101.geniuspages.io/page-2.html. That way, that goes after the domain name. So it's as simple as that, and then just highlight whenever you're editing and doing things. You can go to page 2 and then go back, and now anything that we do, you can see up here at the top, we are on page 2. That is what we're going to edit and change. So just make sure when you're changing things, you're on the correct page. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.